Hello, how you guys' day going? I hope it's going good. So, I was asked a question on how to hook up a controller on Repo. They told me to redo my video, so we're just going to get straight into it. You're going to find Repo on your game list. You're going to click on it. You're going to go ahead and turn on your controller or hook up your controller onto your PC. Once you turn on your controller, it might have to take a minute. You'll see a controller not supported. You're going to click on View Controller Settings, and this screen will pop up. You're going to press the arrow on the current button layout, the arrow right here. I will go ahead and magnify that so you guys can see that better. Then you're going to click on Community Layouts, and you're going to find for your controller type, like if it's an Xbox, PS1, generic controller input for Repo, and so on. Once you go ahead and click on that, you can click on Apply Layout. Now your layout is on the controller. Now, if you want to edit said layout, you go ahead and click on Edit Layout, and you go ahead and change your different pads to different keyboard binding. I hope this video helps at least someone out there. Have a great rest of your day. Please like or sub if this did help you, and let me know if there is any problems that I could help with. I typically stream on actually most days. Most days. I hope I see you there. Good night, sleep tight, don't let geckos bite, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.